So Bryce,
Yeah.
what do you think if we did a video for Mini Missions Trip about just some people going on a trip to planes?
Hey guys, mini mission trip. I'm going.
No, that's kind of boring.
Okay, what's your idea?
Well, what about we did a logging video?
Logging video.
Yeah.
I'm a logger.
Oh man, I feel so manly.
I've got a great smile. Yeah, awesome.
Oh, look at that.
You know,
Kind of work that into the mini missions kind of thing.
that would be cool, but what if instead of loggers, they were like full-on like lumberjacks?
I'm a lumberjack. Look, my beard is great.
I think I want to see you.
Maybe I'll cut you with this axe. Chop.
Yeah, so Mini Missions Trip, lumberjacks.
Oh, we already did that video about the lumberjacks.
Oh, okay. Well, what could he do?
Oh, okay. Kung Fu lumberjacks.
Kung Fu lumberjacks!
Everybody was kung fu fighting. Those kids were fast as lightning. In fact, it was a little bit frightening, but they fought with expert timing. There were funky Chinamen from funky Chinatown. They were chopping them up, they were chopping them down. It's an ancient Chinese art, and everybody knew their part. From a fainting to a slip, and a kicking from the hip. Everybody was kung fu fighting. Those kids were fast as lightning. In fact, it was a little bit frightening. Yeah, but they fought with expert timing. There was Funky Billy Chin and Little Sammy Chung. He said, "Here comes the big boss. Let's get it on."
You better tell us where the chainsaw is.
I'm not gonna tell you. I'm not gonna tell you at all. If there were two of you, maybe I would tell you, but...
You better tell.
Oh, there's two.
Hey,
Okay.
you better tell us where the chainsaw
Okay,
is.
I'll tell you. I'll definitely tell you. No, I'm not gonna tell you. I'm so angry. Okay, I'll tell
Okay, tell us.
you. No.
Please
I won't
tell
tell
us.
you. No, not at all. Alright, guys, I'll tell you. If you just follow me here, it's just right here. I just set it
Okay.
inside of there.
Okay, we'll check the barbecue.
Hey, man, this is not
Oh,
over here.
no, that's not where it
no,
is.
I mean
Oh.
right here. It's right here. Oh, great.
Chainsaw!
Chainsaw Destiny!
Yeah!
Everybody was kung fu fighting. Those kids were fast as lightning.
Kung Fu lumberjacks!
Great idea.
Man, that's awesome. Let's do it.
Okay, cool.
Okay. Kung Fu lumberjacks. That'd be really great.
Oh,